Alright, y'all. So I was gonna start today's video saying we're gonna go find Baby Dick's wheel bearing, because this guy is shot. The bearing's shot, and it's causing the CV axle to look. Oh damn! Look at that! I just pulled the CV axle right out. Oh man! I was just trying to show that it's moving. Oh fuck! Look at that! I thought it'd be hard to remove. Anywho, we were banging the shit out of it yesterday, and you can tell we damaged the threads. And we need a new hub anyway. But since we messed the threads up, now we need the hub assembly. So we need this whole dang thing. Sad days. And Baby Dick's, the person you bought it from, look at this. This is the piston to the brake caliper. Literally came out because the caliper was what was breaking on the rotor. So sad. Came all the way out here and check it out. This shot's pretty cool. Got the shop doggies. Look at them good puppers. Good puppies. Got bikes, cars. Sweet. Sweet. Oh, look. Have an old police boat. This old Suzuki. Old bikes. Old kid cars. Damn, all the way down. I didn't even notice. Sweet. Look at this. Dang. Look at this guy. This is cool. Oh yeah. Look at the mirrors. Sweet. Did you see the pepper? The dog came over and checked on me. Oh dang, they even got a nice Pepsi machine. Looks like the lunchroom over there. Sweet. All the way out here. Shit. It's like, there's the Honda. You know, I'm gonna take some pictures before we leave. Man. This is cool. So got a treat out of driving Baby Dick out here. Oh dang. It's got plastic on it. That's crazy. Looks super modern. Alright, I'm done. Dang. Coca-Cola room. Sweet. No touchy. This is sweet. Psst. Radar patrol. First time seeing a Coca-Cola chair. Another old cooler. Dang! Big old safe right here. Drive-in speakers. This place is pretty cool. I didn't see this earlier when I walked by. Psst. Spark plug gaskets. Battery tester. Dang. Well, we're just waiting on those guys to come get us. No. Someone took the hub off the spindle, but they told us they'd give us the spindle and the hub. Oh dang, I didn't even see this guy. It's pretty cool. Oh, Cadillac. I didn't see it because I seen the motorcycle. Look at these cute puppers. What's your name, guys? Just gonna record this because we'll never be out here again. She's handling fine, y'all. She loved the drive over here. Still no leaks over here. You can see my hose a little bit back. That's what my little bit of drip drops right there is. Need to fix it. But yeah, problems. It's not gonna last. Save my ass. Check this out. I figured out what it was when I come in here. Push that down. Then watch. Now it latches. All done. We out, y'all. Goodbye, A1 Auto. Big Dick's lubing her up for tonight. Ooh. Stick your weenie in that. And look, you see that hole? It looks like it lines up with that perfectly.
Okay. Bet.
Oh shit. Did you get the splines lined up on the CV?
I think so.
Yeah.
You did.
Cause you pulled her out. Here, let me set the CV back in.
Okay.
Make it easier. Oh shit.
Oh, you just push
Yeah, you just push your back in there.
like that? Or?
Yeah, lift up a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Oh, I wasn't even recording. And tomorrow morning, I'm gonna stop at O'Reilly since it's by my house. Get that brake caliper. And then Tuesday, we gotta wait till Tuesday for a damn rotor. We should go call in some other stores and then. Alright, y'all. When you get a brand new rotor, first thing, make sure it looks like yours. And look at that. Golly. That's what a new one looks like. Alright, let's throw it on. Check it out. Nowadays they got QR codes. If you scan them with your phone, it'll show you how to put these on.
Sweet.
I think.
About time.
I remember me and Tristan scanned one time and did that. But now, I'll loosen this brake line. And with this, I can't tilt it forward or all the fluid's going to come out. But as soon as I loosen this, it'll be kind of quick. Oh, dang. And we're going to have to reuse the
O-ring.
washers that are on here. You can hardly even see them.
The brass O-rings?
Our brass washers.
We'll see.
Do you have any?
I don't.
Dang.
Let me call Advance Auto.
I'm going to use a ratchet. Alright. So it's halfway out. That's how much fluid we pretty much lost when the pistons came out. It's not spraying out yet. But getting ready for it. Alright. Hey Dad.
Yes.
Okay, can you open that box?
Oh, these washers?
Yeah,
Yep, there they are.
We've been here for freaking like 20 minutes. We got one toy down, another toy down, and blood on this one because he's chewing. Psycho. Oh, get away from the camera. He almost ate the camera.
Crazy boy, crazy boy. We're all fumbling around, just talking about, do we got new ones?
Oh, look, diesel washers?
Yeah, they
Yep,
were
there
in
they
there.
are.
Well,
They were in the box.
anywho. Look, there's still a little brake fluid in here.
It's not even coming out.
I'm keeping it up, but still. If there's a lot
Let's
in
see.
there,
Put it down. Let's see.
if there's a lot, it'd be leaking.
Fuck.
But if you
Nothing.
hit the brakes, it's gonna be coming out.
I hope so.
But don't, because the lid's off.
That's
Look at that, still nothing. So, usually it's a time crisis. That's leaking like a sieve. You got it everywhere. Anyway, when you put these washers on, one of them is supposed to go under this. Because you could see it right there. Look how clean that is. It's because the washer was there. Anywho, I'll put it on and show y'all.
Trying to get on toy number 4.
Nova.
What a rude.
Good.
There you go.
Alright guys, so don't be a dummy getting jacked over here. Yeah. Don't be a dummy holding it with one hand, just put it on the rotor. So you can tighten it.
Ooh, that looks scary.
And can you show them right here? The washer on bottom, washer on top.
It's like a little hug.
Our child's running wild.
Running amok. Leroy, come here.
Come here. Come up, Daddy.
Leroy, sit.
Hand me the 12 mil.
So I'm gonna just go. Ooh, he's got a treat.
You don't need these
He gave
crazy
Nova a
tight,
treat.
but you want them snug.
Leroy, come here.
And shit, if after you do this and you're leaking fluid from this bolt, maybe you didn't tighten it. No.
Said you need 12?
Oh no, I was just messing with him. Like trying to get him to work.
Leroy.
Let me get a water bowl.
Oh, maybe that's why he's freaking out.
Thank you.
It's because he's been running amok.